Hello everyone, welcome to Collegewali PADHAI. This episode will be about general aptitude and it is the third episode which will describe and tell you all about factors and divisors. So let's get started. So first we will know the factors of some numbers. So can anyone tell me what are the factors of 6? 1 is a factor of 6, 2 is a factor of 6, 3 is a factor of 6, 6 is a factor of 6. Correct or not? 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 6. And factors of 12, comment section on. 1 is a factor of 12, 2 is a factor of 12, 3 is a factor of 12, 4, 6, then 12. And for 16, 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 8 is a factor, 16 is a factor. And for 25, it's just 3. 1 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 25 is a factor. Only 3 factors. Then these we got to know about the ideas of factors. Now let me tell you some of the important points. First point is prime numbers have only 2 factors. As you know, prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So it has just 2 factors. This is 1, this is 1. 2 factors. Square of the prime numbers has 3 factors. How we can know that? Suppose take the example of 9. 9 has 1, 3 and 9. This is the square of 3. So the square of prime numbers has 3 factors. And any perfect square always contains odd factors. Correct? So now we got to know about factors we knew. Factors of 6, 12, 16, 25. Since we have learned this in childhood. Then we got to know about some important points. Now let's move to the question part. Black pen. So can anyone tell me prime factorization? Prime factorization of 400. Prime factorization of 400. So what's the prime factorization of 400? Let's do the factorization over here. 400, 200, 200, 250, 225, 55, 51. So this is 2 whole to the power 4. This is 5 square. So 400 equal to 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2. So the prime factors of 400 are 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 400. Understood? 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 400. So now let's discuss about some concept and formulas. Take a screenshot if you haven't. Done. So now, okay, if this is concept and formulas, concept and formulas, concept and formulas. So if you think n is a composite number, n is a composite number, and n equal to a into b into c to the power p to the power q to the power r. So I told that n is a composite number and n equal to a to the power p into b to the power q into c to the power r. First, let us know what these a, b and c is. So a, b, c are prime factors of n. Prime factors of n. So a, b and c are the prime factors of n. So then what is p, q and r? P, q and r, they are nothing but positive integers. Positive integers. So I told you, if n is a composite number, then n equal to a to the power p into b to the power q into c to the power r, where a, b and c are the prime factors of n and p, q, r are the positive integers. Now let's move to some of the formulas. Now if you haven't taken a screenshot, you can take. Done. Okay. Now formula. Suppose in the question it is given, find the number of factors of a number. So if you are going to find the number of factors of some n number, then what will the answer? Let me write it in purple so that it will be easier. Equal to p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. Let me make it in a bracket so that it will be easier to understand. So the number of factors, if in any question it is asking about find the number of factors of this number, you need to add their positive integers plus 1 and you have to multiply with all of them. Means p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. Done. So now let's move on to the next formula. That is a product of two factors. Product of two factors. Product of two factors is what? Product of two factors is equal to nothing. Half into inside the bracket p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. Then I need to keep this in bracket. So the product of two factors is half into p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. So we got two formulas. Last one is sum of the factors. Sum of factors. Sum of factors equal to a to the power p minus 1 divided by a minus 1 into b to the power q minus 1 divided by b minus 1 into dot 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 dot. This is also one of the formulas. Let me zoom out so that you can take a screenshot altogether. So the first one is first formula is find the number of factors of n. So to find the number of factors of n, we have to use this formula p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. Then the second one is product of two factors. This we can find it as half into p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. Then the third one, sum of the factors can be found out by a to the power p minus 1 divided by a minus 1 into b to the power q minus 1 divided by b minus 1. Now you can take a screenshot. Taken. Okay, now let's move on to our questions. One second, let me set the board. I have to type this question, this one. Okay, so find the number of factors of 1 to 5. I wrote the wrong thing or what? Okay. So find the number of factors of 1 to 5. Answer. Okay, leave it like that. To zoom it a bit. Okay. Purple. Okay. So 1 to 5. 1, 2, 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. No, it will divisible by 5 only. 5 2s are 10, 22, 4, 25, 5. Then 5 4s are 45, 9. Then 7 7s are 7 1s are. Find the number of factors. So this is 5 square. This is 7 square. So we can write 1 2 2 5 equal to 5 square into 7 square, where 5 and 7 are prime factors. Prime factors. Let me write it correctly. Why this pen is showing such problem, I don't know. Yeah. Um, these are prime factors. Prime factors. So, question is find the number of factors. Number of factors, we know the formula. P plus 1 into Q plus 1 into R plus 1. So, here you have P and Q. So, number of factors equal to 2 plus 1 again into 2 plus 1. 3 3 is a 9. How I will tell you. As positive integers are 2 and 2, consider this as P, consider this as Q. So number of factors were P plus 1 into Q plus 1. As there is no R, no need to write 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 9. So now you take a screenshot. We'll do another one question. This is a kind of question, and another one also is a different type of question. Now let's do this. I have to write this question. Okay. So find the number of factors. Find the number of factors of 19404 excluding 1 and itself. Understood? Find the number of factors of 19404 excluding 1 and itself. So purple color. Okay. Start answering. So it's 19404. 2 2 9s are 18, 114, 7, 0, 2. Again 2. 2 4s are 8, 17, 8, 16, 10, 5 is 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 3, 3 ones are 3, 18, 6 threes are 18. 3 ones are 3, 21, 7. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 3, 3 5s are 15, 11. This is a 27, 9. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 5, 17. It is divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49, then 4, 49, 7. Then again 7, 11. Then let me move a little downwards. Then 11, 1. So 2 square, 3 square, 7 square, 11. So 19404 can be written as 2 square into 3 square into 7 square into 11 all to the power 1. So it is asking again to find the number of factors. So simple, number of factors equal to number of factors are what? Number of factors equal to 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, which will give this is 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 2 is 54. 54, but what it has told? It has told excluding 1 and itself. This is the main part. Excluding 1 and itself. So after excluding that, 1 and itself means two numbers. So after excluding we get 54 minus 2 is equal to 52. I will write this in bracket after excluding. After excluding. Understood? So answer is 52. You can take a screenshot. Let me zoom this out. Taken. So these were the two questions, and then you can easily find out how you can find the number of factors, how you can find the product of two factors, how you can find the sum of the factors. So as I have given you the formula with concept, so it would be very easier to find all these things. So this was the end of our today's episode 3 of general aptitude. And at last, I always say thank you for supporting us. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends to learn more. Thank you.